What's up, y'all? Cooley, chopdratzgarage. My boy Lincoln, he always comes helps me when I'm in a bind. We're so busy at the shop that I have to work on my own stuff on Sundays. So, you know, keep everybody happy and I really get crunched for times. As you can see, Lucille's in the background there looking all pretty, but as you notice, she doesn't have any wheels and tires on her.
She got no legs.
We got a little work to do to her. I'm gonna show you. We're prepping it because we are gonna put the Poppy's glossed out high gloss clear coat on it. Don't pay the dented can no attention. That's my own fault because I'm clumsy. But the Dewey and everybody at Poppy's Patinas took care of me. We're gonna throw some high gloss clear on Lucille and see how she turns out. We're even gonna put it on the frame rails. So basically we're going to smother her in clear coat and see how she turns out. But we got a couple blower issues too, so I'm gonna take the blower off while we doing all this other work. Two birds with one stone. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Stay tuned.